Ivan.
So I wanted to ask, I saw about the plasma pin, the nanomaterial in the reactor. When we build the container to create the plasma, you say when the plasma touch the nanomaterial, it make a reaction. How this reaction is not happening in the reactor, where we have the nanocopper pin in the middle and the plasma around it.
Can you explain? I don't understand.
I mean, when we put the two plates in the container, creating the guns of whatever, you said that if the guns touch the nanoplate on the bottom, it creates a chemical reaction, which destroying the
It
layer.
creates a shortcut.
Yes, but when we build in your lab the copper reactor with the copper nanopin in the middle, we put the gas around it. It doesn't make a reaction also, or?
No, because it falls to the bottom of the container.
Okay.
In the
That was it, thank you.
You mean in the reactor? Marco is trying to explain to me.
I mean, when we make the reactor for the guns, if the guns on the bottom of the container touch the nanoplate, you say that it's destroying the layer of the plate, the nano layer.
Yes, because what happened in that state, you create energy level equal to energy level of the plasma of electron between the two plates. You don't create an electron or electric current flow, you create a plasmatic flow in a level of electron between the plates. So you convert you become part of the chemical reaction more or less. And then you find out that production of the Gans stops. Whenever you see the production of the Gans slows down or stops, clean the container and clean your plate. Which means even though you don't see through the water, but there are too many processes of going on to produce gases that it creates a connection between two plates. It's a plasma magnetic field strength equal to electron. And that's where your problem starts. Because you already have started a connection through the wires between the two plates. And then now when the connection is made through plasmatic electron, it becomes balanced, so nothing happens. And you don't produce any more, what do you call it, GANs in the container. Because even though it's invisible, but the field connection becomes the same, and you have already connected your wires from outside, you create a balanced environment in your liquid, so it stops. So if every time you come to a balanced production and you don't produce any more material, look at your the connection or a change of the salt water in your container, or there's a connection at the